What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiff from The Abundant Investor, and today I was like, I might as well show y'all how I prep the night before for the next trading day. Today is Wednesday, April the 27th. It's currently 10 p.m. and I'm going to just prep for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna look at a couple of the earnings that are happening tomorrow. I'm gonna make another list that's just gonna show just my stocks to watch for what's tomorrow's date, the 28th, 4/28, 22. Definitely gonna add Facebook to that list because Facebook like beat their earnings completely, like crushed it. They added additional users, like more users than they thought, compared to, Netflix, who lost a lot. But anyway, I think after hours, let me check the article that I read on Facebook, aka Meta. Yeah, their shares surged more than 16% after trading hours because they did report their earnings after market closed. So yeah, we're gonna do some charting. So I'm just gonna remove all of this old charting. If I haven't traded a company in a long time, I always remove a lot of the old support and resistance lines. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off the study sets as well, because sometimes that could be a bit distracting. And I'm just going to plot my support and resistance lines. If y'all want me to do a more detailed video about support and resistance lines, I will definitely do that. I am listening to music, so if you hear a little bit of music in the background, that's why. One thing I will say about support and resistance lines is all about the bigger picture. Sometimes you got to zoom out to really see the picture for what it is. This is a weekly chart. People like that was the best friend, and we started to become a distant memory. And sometimes you got to zoom out a little bit more. I just like to zoom out to really see what's happening, especially when we're reaching like very, very low points for a company. Let me go back to that weekly, because this spot is interesting for me. Let me go back to my 1 year, 1 day. That's part of the gap. And I like to change the color of my larger time frame lines, just so when I trade on the smaller time frames, I know that these are major support and resistance lines to be mindful of. I'll go to my 5-day 3 minutes. Even on my 5-day 3 minute, I still like to zoom out and really see everything from what it is. Sheesh. Because we're so high up, I'm definitely going to mark some spots. On here. You know, I'm just getting the average move per day. Again, if y'all want a more detailed video, I will definitely do that. Yeah, and I just like to make notes of the moves per day, especially if it's earnings. They move about 5 points per day. My baby QCOM. I love QCOM. I love trading the semiconductor stocks. They are the best to trade, literally. I don't know, I just love trading them, especially NVIDIA. So it looks like I already marked up QCOM. So, of course my battery's about to die. I'll charge it. So I'm definitely going to be looking at my semiconductors tomorrow. Oh, the Bentley. QCOM's chart is pretty straightforward. It's like, this is what it is. Hold on, let me go into it. See here. Very much this is what it is. I'm just gonna take these off. My brain just operates better when I just do things over again, even if it's in the same spot. Because I feel like you always catch something different. I'm not saying that it can go anywhere, but if I had to pick, it could go to 140, 145 to 147. The next stop would be like 152. I wish we can make like actual like sticky notes instead of just like the notes tab on like Thinkorswim. Like actually have the sticky notes like sit out here so I can see it. But yeah, 147 and the next stop will be 152. So what I'm gonna do on my 533 minute is I'm gonna just put like little markers here around 147, like a little bit. Yep. I'm gonna just put one here and then put one at 152. That's my little markers. I'm gonna change this to no, I'm gonna keep it right there. That's my little markers for a little old QCOM. Let's go to get my average move per day. So let's look at Ford. Ford was a little busting thing last year. As you can see, I remember trading all this. Now Ford is right back Right back to where it started. I'm gonna mark this $12 range to this $12.50 range just because. Who else? PayPal. I love PayPal. Damn. When I look at PayPal, I just be like, damn. It's a shame. Oof, let me clean this up. What the hell was I doing? How you gonna be? Let me get my charger. Alright, since we're so low, let me zoom out to a weekly chart. Even the weekly chart. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's how I feel. All right, let me zoom out to a max charts. Oh, did not mean to pick that one. That's wild. Next stop for PayPal is $76.60. Or is it? Let me see. Actually, it's about $76 even. Ooh, listen. That's wild. Like, sheesh. It's not funny. It's mad. It's dead ass fucked up. Like, this is where we at. This is where we at from Mr. PayPal. PayPal looking like damn. Affirm. Yo. Y'all see Affirm? Where they at now? AFRM. They had $30 fucking dollars. Y'all, I remember trading all up here and shit. Literally. This hole is at $30 fucking dollars. Can we get a max chart? Damn, they're not even at where they IPO'd. Sheesh. That is so fucking wild. Like, anyway, back to PayPal. And again, I'm looking at this from a day trader perspective. Like, so please hold your tits. Because people always want to be mad. Affirm is still a great play. I don't even know why I'm marking all the way up there. We're not even going to get there yet. Anyway. Because I like me some PayPal, but I sure did take some profit. I sure did. Take profit so I could re-enter again. The fuck? We have Caterpillar and MasterCard to look at. I'm probably not even going to chart MasterCard, to be honest. Yeah, so that's basically what I do for my night prep. I don't do too much reading at night. I save that for the morning time. I look over articles for my morning prep. I will probably do a little speed through video like this one when I do my morning prep too. I mean, like I said, if y'all want a detailed video on how I plot my support and resistance lines, how I do my morning prep, I can definitely do that. And before I go, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and on TikTok at The Abundant Investor. Links are in the description below. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace, love, and good trading.